Hey, what's up, honeycrunchers? It's me, Jham, and welcome back to honeycrunch321. My sister gave me the entire Whimsical Collection by Girl Stuff, plus another nail polish for Christmas. And it comes with 2 tin cans like this. The Whimsical Collection has 7 shades, which consists of 5 pastel shades, 1 holographic, and 1 shimmer polish. And 1 tin can fit 4 polishes. Therefore, my sister added another one to get 2 tin cans of 4 nail polishes each. Now let me introduce the shades that are from Girl Stuff's Whimsical Collection. We've got Fairy Dust, second is Wonder, third is Vibe With Me, fourth is Shine, fifth is Forever, sixth is Enchanted, and the last nail polish from this collection is Believe. Then we have this shade, which is called Chill. I'll probably post my swatch and review video for the Whimsical Collection next year. Big thanks to my sister for giving me these nail polishes. If you're watching this video, I just want to say that I can't wait for the next time. Okay, so if you guys enjoyed today's video, don't forget to hit like, share this video to your awesome friends, and subscribe. And that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and see you all next year. Bye!